learners, today we are learning days of the week in French. So let us begin. Monday, Lundi. Tuesday, Mardi. Wednesday, Mercredi. Thursday, Jeudi. Friday, Vendredi. Saturday, Samedi. Sunday, Dimanche. Here is one of the tip. Whenever we are using days of week in French, we don't capitalize. Always use small letters unless until it comes in the beginning of a sentence. For example, if I am saying jeudi, jeudi, je voyage. On Thursday, I travel. So here jeudi, it is coming in the beginning of a sentence. So that's why we are using here capital letter. Otherwise, always we are using small letters to write days of week. Merci for watching this video. If you like, please share and subscribe my videos and stay tuned for upcoming lessons.